If you are in need of Tesla-approved Model Y collision repair in Bridgeview, Illinois, you have come to the right place. At TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, we specialize in repairing Tesla vehicles to meet factory standards. Our technicians are trained and certified to restore your Model Y to its original condition after a car accident. Using advanced tools and equipment approved by Tesla, we ensure precision in every step of the process. From frame and structural repairs to body panel repairs, every detail is handled with accuracy. We work on Tesla-specific materials such as aluminum and high-strength steel to maintain the safety and performance of your Model Y. Our shop also ensures proper functioning and calibration of sensors, cameras, and other Tesla technology. TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts follow Tesla's strict guidelines for replacement parts. All parts used are genuine Tesla components to preserve the integrity of your Model Y. We also conduct thorough inspections and quality checks to ensure everything is properly restored before your vehicle leaves our shop. Whether your Model Y needs bumper repairs, paintwork, or glass replacement, we've got you covered. Our team is equipped with the latest tools to match the original color flawlessly during any repainting work. With attention to every detail, we'll make sure your vehicle looks and performs as it should. At TechniCraft Collision Repair Experts, we are dedicated to quality repairs for your Tesla Model Y. Call us today to schedule a repair estimate for your collision repair needs.